people with talent.
Oh my God. I have some talents.
Yeah, you do.
I don't know what they are, but okay. It's in my imagination. Wow. What's the theme this year?
Wow.
I don't know what the theme. What's the theme?
I don't know. Usually they have
Yeah.
a sign up front.
What's the theme this year, ma'am? What's
Gallery of Sand. It's like a museum of sand.
Oh, Gallery
Oh, wow,
of
cool.
Sand. Oh, that's nice.
Sand Museum.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, it gives you a wide area. That,
Yeah.
unless you
That's definitely a range.
unless you take a sculpture or a painting from a museum and make it three-dimensional.
Well, this one's got talent. This one's a box.
Yeah, yeah.
This is mine.
That's yours.
This is mine. It's got my name
boxes.
on there too, and a little.
I know.
It's like a little cake.
Could be a
Okay.
cake, yeah.
Wait, we got to see what the front says.
Yeah, usually the themes up there, this is that sponsor.